Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get an invisible name in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we want to do is go to this website. So first we will go to this website YT tags. And here we'll just type something like test. Now here in the second slot, we will also type test. And then here where it says and replace with we want to go to the second website here text reverse. And we can just click the copy to clipboard. So click on this button. And then we'll go back to this website, remove characters from text. And we will paste this 3 times because Roblox requires 3 characters. So we will paste it once, right-click, paste twice. Right-click, paste 3 times. And now we will just click on replace. And here it should be empty. But that's fine. Just click on this copy text button. So copy text. And now what we have to do is go back to Roblox. Click on settings. Go to settings here. Find your display name. And what we have to do is just click on the display name here to edit it. And now we will just paste the name super quickly and we'll click on save. So you want to either highlight the name and press Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Or we can just right-click paste and then save. But you have to do it very quickly, otherwise it won't work. So just like this, and you have to click on save and just keep on trying until you get it. And sometimes it might take a few tries for you to get this working. But it should work if you don't get the error here. Just keep on trying until you actually get it to work. But you have to be super quick. Like I said, just get over to the button here and it's going to work. You have to trust me. Just keep on trying and that's it. So that's basically how you can get an invisible name in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.